Hello and welcome to our new video. Yes, you've heard right, this isn't Dario who is speaking right now. In case you don't remember me, I'm Nico, the second person behind this channel, and yes, I'm still alive. In this video I want to finally present you our new project, PuzzleCADon. This project is about the general design of 3D models, but I will mainly concentrate on Twisty puzzles, of course. Here we are going to teach you how you can learn how to design different mechanisms of Twisty puzzles. In order to design custom puzzles, you'll of course need a software to construct your model. Those programs are called CAD software, which stands for Computer-Aided Design. The basic concept is to use such a program to create a 3D model which you can later use for the FDM print. The program we will be using in this project is called Onshape. Onshape is a free and web-based program. You have to sign in order to use Onshape. A great advantage of Onshape is that you can simply design different mathematical objects, and there are some very useful features for the design of Twisty puzzles. As I already said it, you need to create an account in order to use Onshape, so that you can use Onshape right and you won't have any problems with the registration. I will show you how to do it right. At first go on create an account and then choose one of the three possibilities. These are somehow different and not all of them are free. The professional CAD account has some advantages, but you don't really need them as a starter. The other two are free, but the educational account is only for students and teachers. For most of you, the standard free account will probably be the right choice. You can get that one fast and without having to fill in too much information about yourself. If you are a student through, consider choosing that possibility, as it will give you unlimited private files, whereas the usual account does only offer public files. We will sign up for a student's account for this example. After you chose an account, you get to the first form, in which you need to fill in your first and second name, your email address, and maybe some other stuff. After this, you need to fill in some further information related to the account which you want to create. At the last step, you need to verify your email address. Before you can start to design in Onshape, you have to fill in a password for the account and your telephone number. So after all these steps, you can finally start to design puzzles. But before this, I want to show you some useful settings which we will use. To reach the settings, you have to click on your name in the right upper corner. After this, just click on your account. There you can change whatever you want. Now click on Preferences. There you can change the language, unit, view manipulation, and more. We chose millimeters as a length unit and degrees as the angle unit. You won't need the mass unit now. To be honest, we also don't use it. I think the biggest change we did at the preferences is that we changed the view settings to SolidWorks. This will change the control of the rule interface so that you, for instance, can move around using the mouse wheel instead of the right mouse button. This seems like a tiny change that doesn't have a real purpose, but we noticed that in certain browsers, the right mouse button can't be used as it is given in the original settings. So changing to SolidWorks makes it easier or possible at all to navigate in Onshape. If you don't run into the issues I described, you can obviously just select your own preferences, but we'll be using those settings for our future tutorials. So now we already reached the end of this short introduction video, and you can see me in the background designing a Twisty puzzle. That's where we want to get you. In the future videos of our series, I will give you explanations of how you can use the different features of Onshape, show you several mechanisms of Twisty puzzles, and tell you about the theory behind Twisty puzzles. We also want to start some other project based on this one, so you can look forward to those. Several requests we got from our subscribers inspired this video series. That is why we want to show you what you want to see. So please feel free to ask for certain topics that could fit into this project, and we'll try to create a video about your topic. Until then, I hope you enjoyed this introduction and looking forward to teaching you the basic of Twisty puzzle design in our future videos. If you don't want to miss those, please consider subscribing to the channel. See you next time.
Now for a couple of nights, need to rebuild myself to come alive. It all makes sense now that the lights out. It's a different world to me, it makes me feel down.